I'm going to do a how-to video on how to lower a manual thumb. It's in the locked and raised position right now. He's pulling out the bolt and nut.
Bolt collar.
So we're going to take that out, and I put the stick in. Oh, you got it out. So he took that off in the collar. He's going to take this pin out. We'll knock it out. Then we're going to raise the boom and stick up and let that slide down. What are you going to put it in, the top hole or the middle one?
Usually put it in the middle hole.
And that'll put it at about a 90-degree angle?
Yeah.
And that's what, the locking bolt there? The pin?
Yeah,
keeps it
the
locked
locking
up.
Bolt and collar.
That keeps that attached to the stick right there. And that one keeps the
you only use one
the brace there. Yeah.
This is in folded position.
So here in the folded position, you got the stick tucked all the way in. That way there's really no weight on it. We'll take those pins out and we'll show you how to fold it.
Roll the bucket down. Hey, right there.
Put our pin back in here. This will lock the brace for the thumb back in place. And then you just put your extra pin back there in the bottom hole. Just gonna put all the bolts back through here, tighten it down, and that's how you lower a manual thumb.